remember who you is. A whole heap of people forget who them is. That's why they can't have a conversation. That's why them and nobody can get along. Because them are trying to be somebody else. Every time somebody have a conversation with me, they remember who me is. The dunce man. That's my character.
The inspirational side of you. What is it that you draw on when you're penning your songs?
Everything happening in my brain, you know. And then we just put it on recording. Tell you the truth.
Have you ever written down lyrics and tears actually ran out of your eyes thinking about what you are writing and this is your life?
No, because honestly, we know we are say powerful, but me don't make tears run out of my eye. I go write it as tears run out of your eye.
You don't cry?
You don't have a reason to cry. You don't have a reason to cry. You can't just get up and cry.
I hear that.
Yeah,
I hear that, but there's always going to be a reason.
No.
When you, it's when
you accept life and accept the things that happen, and you look around, you don't have to cry. You don't have to cry, man, because your heart already crying.
Never tears of joy?
Tears of joy?
Yeah.
How the heart do that, you know? You see me? Yeah, how the heart do that.
Because when I think about New Year's Eve and to see Jamal on the stage at National Stadium,
yeah,
alongside Vybz.
I'm one of the people them crying.
How was that moment for you when you hit the stage with Kartel? Like,
honestly,
fucking legend of dancehall music. Did you ever have like a friendship, kinship, anything with Kartel from beforehand?
I just my artist from day one. So you see how the universe work. Powerful. See what I say? And Freedom Street are one of the biggest moments for me. I would never forget the moment there. You understand what I say? Big up Vybz Kartel.
Who called you?
And birthday today. Big
Happy
him up
birthday,
again.
Kartel.
Dunce. Yeah.
Who called you for that show?
Who called me?
Yeah,
a universe called me, man. Kartel himself. Boss.
Call you.
He no call me like send a phone call.
He make a link though and send out the message.
No, as me I show you, I teach you something about the dunce thing. He never have to say dunce man forward. You see me? The universe alone tell you so you need to do this.
Oh. So it wasn't pre-booked, it wasn't pre-planned. He was there. And you have to
if me see Kartel, I give me all of that flair there, the forward there. The support there where everybody in a music, especially in a dancehall, would have want because I Kartel that. And Kartel I keep Freedom Street to celebrate him freedom. As dunce as me is, man. Me know something for this. Me know, man. Me know at the right place.
You took your opportunity, yeah?
At the right place. At the right
That's
place.
the right place.
Yeah, so big up to Vybz Kartel. I swear.
So show what go on. You don't even know if you're going to hit the stage, but you got your opportunity.
No, well, we make ourselves presentable there, so opportunity was there, and we take it. And with respect to all of my fans, and we turn out and give them full support. And I must say, dunce man shell the place, so I tell you.
What was the adrenaline like when you hit that stage?
It's always a rush, man. It's always a rush. I say, wait a minute, while, isn't it?
You don't want to expose like
yeah, because remember, you know, certain things in our life won't go come once. You see what I say?
100%.
And as much as you tell yourself to prepare for the moment, when the moment comes, the weather can change the whole thing. It can be raining the day there, you get cold. You see me? So you never prepare for the best moment, go have rainfall, you see me?
I think you're going to have a good 2025 because it's very apparent that even though you said dance, your delivery is on point. You got a dancehall voice. That's what a lot of people don't realize, you know, this thing. You have the sound.
We know, man.
You have the gravel in your voice. Your stage presence is very dominating, as I say. I think a lot of people are going to be watching this conversation and they'll be like, okay, Shawnee, but what about the music? If you had to pick 3 of your songs, because I watch you perform, and I can see the inspiration that the song is giving the people, though, even though you're banging, chopping, everything can go on, there's still those little lines in there that people kind of draw for as
because
wake up in the morning.
in my song, writing a song or making a song, at least one word me like to have in there were really motivational or inspirational. Like even the same word, believe. Yeah, we use it so often. Come on, you have to believe.
Even in the phone when you say,
yeah, you have to believe. You have to believe, because no for we don't know how to really do things by our own, you know. You see me? And most of the time, if you can't do something on your own or you can't start something, it don't make sense. You see me? So that's where the belief come in now. So if you have to go to work and you have to reach your work 8 o'clock every morning, I believe go make you do that. Because of course, some of the time you're going to still feel like you're tired and you want to catch another hour sleep. But when you know you can't lose the work, and your only source of income, I believe I will get you there. So we kind of believe in what we are do. And my style and my way of life, I don't like busy about people, but I don't really make them get to me. They send me go home. Are you hungry? None of them people that did it for you, nothing. So I say some kind of pray. I not try to offend them or get in them way, but me are busy doing me. You see me? I don't care. I go continue doing me. I do. You see me? I say, I don't have the mindset to accept what you're calling now, turn away, because when I say turn black, me make up my mind to come and look for Shani B, and Shani B I say, I know today I know done, man. And I say, all right, Father, believe. Make up my mind.
2 days in the road, this was meant to happen.
Yeah, man.
And you drive the furthest distance to come and make it happen.
Yeah, I just said, believe. I believe.
Believe.
Yeah, you have to believe. I believe me see I use and do your thing, you know, Father.
I'm telling you.
It's not easy way you do, you know.
I must have the camera pop down, probably.
Believe. Yeah, believe.
Believe.
I have to believe, Father. I swear.
Three of your songs out of your catalogue. I want people to go away and to go and listen to 3 songs and say, okay, cool. What will be your 3 songs that you select?
Hear me there, you know me have to tell them the first song where Vybz Kartel say, I'm favorite song, Ballon d'Or. Right? We have a song called Time Right Now. As me I tell you again, I believe. The song there, for you believe in yourself, you go make you believe in what you do.
Give me 4 lines out of that song there.
We never give up, dog, we not stop try. Have to get up, dog, no wait pan time, bang a line, go walk, dog. Believe. The GLE I go come, dog, a 9.5. When you see me pull up, dog, the moon top fly. One time we did brought, dog. You see me I say? So you have to believe.
Right.
You see me I say? Yeah, you have to believe. And I also have another song, you know, where the name Cities. You see me, I don't know, I like the song there for myself. You see me, it's not a song where recently dropped, but the song there, don't know, we have the Rated D EP right now. We are beg the fans them for just continue to stream it. Forever
so when that EP drop?
The 14th of December, so that's like maybe 3-4 weeks, almost a month ago.
That is Ballon d'Or part of that?
No.
Okay.
The EP Time.
Right.
Leading song right now, #1 and trending on all platforms. Second on the album chart. Yeah. Right now, right next to Bob Marley. Everybody needs to go check it out.
Where do you think your biggest fan base is?
Well, the biggest fan base right now, I would say Jamaica. You know?
Is that just because they understand what you are dealing with as such?
Yeah, most likely they understand what me I deal with and they understand where me I forward from. And them see struggle. And most of my fans, them coming like, are more likely, them did it with me from day one. Jamaica did it with me from day one. You understand what me I say? So, I have to big up Jamaica. You see what me I say? Believe.
Where else do you think that your music is connected?
The music can reach the four corner of earth.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys. We out.